Today's deep dive is all about the Fujifilm X-E5, a camera that might just send shockwaves through the entire mid-range mirrorless market. Whether you're a Sony shooter, a Canon loyalist, or a Fuji fan, what you're about to hear might change the way you view compact camera systems moving forward. Fujifilm strikes back, X-E5 and the mirrorless disruption. No one really saw this coming. Not Sony, not Canon, and certainly not most of the camera community. While the camera industry has been largely focused on high-end full-frame releases and content creator-centric models, Fujifilm has been quietly rewriting the rules behind the scenes. The upcoming Fujifilm X-E5 isn't just another minor refresh or spec bump. It's a calculated and courageous maneuver aimed at shaking up the APS-C mirrorless camera segment, particularly the middle ground where performance, portability, and price intersect. This is a statement, a clear one. Fujifilm isn't done innovating, and this bold move might just redefine the compact enthusiast camera space in 2025. 4 years of silence, then a storm. Let's rewind for a moment. The Fujifilm X-E4, launched in 2021, earned praise for its minimalist design, film-like shooting experience, and stunning image quality. Yet it missed the mark in some crucial areas. No in-body image stabilization, no fully articulating screen, and limited video features. Then, crickets. No updates in 2022. Silence in 2023. Rumors began to swirl that the X-E line had reached its quiet demise. Fujifilm fans started worrying they had invested in a discontinued system. But now we know that the silence wasn't retirement. It was recalibration. The return of the rangefinder-style Rebel now. Fast forward to June 2024. Listings from Japanese retailers started surfacing. The Fujifilm X-E5 was real, and it was closer than anyone expected. Leaked renders showed a camera that carried the DNA of the X-E line, yet something felt different. The proportions were familiar, but subtle tweaks in the dials and top plate hinted at major internal changes. Fujifilm wasn't just giving us a cosmetic update. They were building a next-generation camera wrapped in a nostalgic shell. June 2025. All eyes on the launch. Current rumors suggest an official launch date of June 12, 2025, though that could shift within Q2 depending on global logistics. What's certain is that this is no rushed product. Fujifilm has taken its time, 4 years to be exact, to craft a camera that represents both a return to form and a leap into the future. Let's break down what we know and why this could change everything. A flagship sensor in a compact body. X-E5 is rumored to feature the 40mm APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, the same powerhouse found in the X-T5 and the wildly popular X100VI. This isn't a sensor reserved for casual use. This is high-resolution, high-performance imaging built for professionals who want flagship-level image quality in a body they can carry all day. This move alone disrupts the balance. Cameras like the Sony a6700 or Canon EOS R50 just can't match that resolution in such a portable form factor. IBIS in a small frame? Game changer. Perhaps the most stunning development, 7-stop in-body image stabilization in this compact rangefinder-style design. Traditionally, adding IBIS means compromising on size and weight, but if Fujifilm has pulled this off, it's a breakthrough. This feature alone would instantly place the X-E5 in a league of its own. No other compact mirrorless camera delivers this level of stabilization while maintaining such sleek dimensions. Autofocus. That challenges the giants. Let's talk autofocus. The X-E5 is said to sport 425-point intelligent hybrid AF with advanced subject detection. We're talking about face, eye, animal, vehicle, and subject tracking capabilities that compete directly with what Sony and Canon offer in their latest mirrorless systems. With rumored burst speeds of 20 FPS and 15 FPS/s, this camera isn't just for casual shooters. It's targeting action, street, and hybrid creators who need speed without bulk. Here's where things get even more impressive. Fujifilm is fully acknowledging the needs of hybrid creators, photographers who also shoot video, vloggers, and documentary filmmakers. The X-E5 is expected to offer 0.2K video at 30 FPS 4K, 60p, with 4.2.2 10-bit internal recording ProRes and Blackmagic RAW support via HDMI. These specs go head-to-head with cameras like the Sony FX30, which costs significantly more and doesn't offer the same tactile control experience. Fujifilm's approach feels more holistic. You get serious video tools without sacrificing form factor. A new category: premium compact creator cameras. The brilliance of the X-E5 lies in its market positioning. It's not trying to be the best full-frame camera or the most affordable entry-level option. Instead, it sits in a new niche: a premium compact hybrid camera for creators who demand power without the bulk. Imagine users of the Sony ZV-E10 frustrated by plastic construction and limited stabilization, or Canon R50 owners craving Fuji's superior color science and build quality. The X-E5 speaks to that middle ground: serious creators who want portability, personality, and precision. Tactile control, timeless design. Fujifilm knows its audience. The X-E5 retains the signature analog-style controls, metal dials, and intuitive layout that make the X-E line so beloved. These physical elements foster a stronger connection between photographer and camera, something that spec sheets can't convey. In a digital world overflowing with touchscreen menus, Fuji is bringing back the joy of manual control, and that's a major part of its unique value: film simulations. The soul of Fuji. Another core reason creatives flock to Fujifilm: its film simulations. The X-E5 is expected to include the newest versions, giving creators instant access to cinematic looks without extensive color grading. Not just a camera, a philosophy. More than any spec or leak, what sets the X-E5 apart is its philosophy. Fujifilm isn't chasing numbers. It's creating a tool that enhances the experience of photography. This isn't just about performance, it's about purpose. The X-E5 seems designed for those who want more than a clinical tool. It's for artists, storytellers, and professionals who value balance, a camera you want to carry and love to use. Compact power for real-world use. Size matters, especially for documentary photographers, travelers, and anyone working in sensitive environments. The X-E5's discreet form factor ensures you won't attract attention while still having full creative control. Whether you're capturing bustling street scenes, conducting interviews, or documenting real life as it unfolds, the X-E5 offers the ideal mix of stealth and performance. Conclusion: a mirrorless shakeup. Incoming. So what does all of this mean? In a mirrorless world dominated by safe iterations and predictable upgrades, the Fujifilm X-E5 feels like a true disruptor. It doesn't just aim to beat Sony or Canon at their own game, it changes the rules entirely. Fujifilm is saying, what if we gave creators a portable camera with top-tier image quality, advanced video features, real manual controls, and a soul? This could be the camera that finally bridges the gap between creative flexibility and everyday usability, without forcing you into larger, more expensive systems.